How to sell annuity payment. An annuity payment is a series of payments made at fixed intervals, typically monthly or yearly, in exchange for a lump sum payment. If you have an annuity and need cash now, you may consider selling your annuity payment to a buyer. Here are the steps you need to follow to sell your annuity payment. Determine the value of your annuity. The first step in selling your annuity payment is to determine the value of your annuity. This will depend on several factors, including the amount of the annuity, the length of the payment period, and the interest rate. You can use an online annuity calculator or consult with a financial advisor to determine the value of your annuity. Find a buyer. Once you have determined the value of the annuity, you need to find a buyer. There are many companies that buy annuity payments, so it is important to do your research and find a reputable buyer. Look for companies that are licensed and have a good reputation in the industry. Get a quote. Once you have found a potential buyer, you will need to get a quote for your annuity payment. The buyer will take into account the value of your annuity as well as their own fees and cost to determine the amount they are willing to pay for your annuity as well as the payment schedule, the fees or costs associated with the sale. Review the contract. If you decide to move forward with selling your annuity payment, you will need to review and sign a contract with the buyer. The contract will outline the term of the sale, including the amount you will receive, the payment schedule, and any fees or costs associated with the sale. Wait for court approval. In some cases, the sale of an annuity payment may require court approval. This is typically the case if the annuity was purchased with funds from a structured settlement. The buyer will file a petition with the court, and you may be required to attend a hearing to finalize the sale. Receive payment. Once the sale is approved, you will receive a lump sum payment from the buyer. This payment will be less than the total value of your annuity payment due to fees and costs associated with the sale. Some additional tips to keep in mind when selling your annuity payment include: consider consulting with a financial advisor before selling your annuity payments to ensure that it is the right financial decision for your situation. Be aware that selling your annuity payments may have tax implications, so make sure you understand the tax consequences before proceeding with the sale.